On publishing a project to the cloud, the project manager will automatically open, and this will contain all of the files that you publish. You can organize these files by status and also search for files by name. There's options for how your files are arranged up here, and then also information about your Squirrel Plan allowances at the bottom. Files saved to the cloud are identified by this cloud icon. Click the More Options ellipses under a file to change a project status. Projects saved to the cloud have a default status of draft and cannot be shared until the file has been moved to live. Once a project is live, this icon will be shown, and then even more options become available. Clicking Open in Browser does exactly that. You can also manage the versions of your projects and roll back to previous versions if you need to. You can view the information and statistics for a project, so you can see how many times it's been viewed, when it was last viewed, and other details besides. Next are the share options. Now here you can select the methods of sharing that you want to make available, and then you can copy an ID to show the project within a PowerPoint presentation. You can access a link to display the project in a browser window or a WebView component. And finally, you can copy the necessary code to embed the project within a web page. One thing to note is that subsequently disabling one of these sharing options will stop the file from working anywhere that it's been shared via that method. And then finally, in the More options, you can rename or delete a file. Now this only affects the published file and not the Squirrel development file. The project manager can also be accessed at any time from within the File menu. So that's a quick guide to the project manager. Do visit the Learn section of the Squirrel365 website to see in-depth guides to publishing, using the project manager, and also sharing your projects.